Right, so I'll follow you. I'll flip out of the way.
Did you get your Cena connected?
Just put it on that channel 1 and
Yeah. Okay.
have you talked to it?
I don't know. I can't. Yeah, no, I just mess with it there. Probably should have experimented with this Cena thing before the day of the trip. Hey there, Walt here from WaltInPA. Today is a very special day. We're riding out to meet the boys to go on the Wrapup Ride 2021. I don't know what they're calling it, but that's what I'm calling it. We're meeting up down at the Valley Forge Park, which is a national park. Really cool place, not too far from home. And then we're going to ride out, see a couple of covered bridges, and eventually hit Shady Maple down in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. They are a smorgasbord or a buffet, and they're extremely popular in the area. They make great food. It's a cool place, and they've got tons of space, so we should be able to get, well, I think there's going to be about 10 of us, maybe a little bit less. So seating should not be an issue. Should be a good time all around. So we're, Steve and I, who's back there, I'm sure you can't see him in my mirror. The line of sight from my eyes and my camera are not the same, but Steve's back there with his new Aprilia RS660. We're headed down to Phoenixville to meet up with Goofy Bastard, and then we're gonna ride over to Valley Forge Park together. There's some construction along the way, and he knows the roads really well, so he'll be able to get us around it. So sit tight and enjoy the ride. Should be a really fun day. I think I'm going to hit every single light through Limerick. You son of a bitch! Alright, now we're finally out of that small town traffic. We're running late. Should be meeting Goofy Bastard a minute from now. It's gonna take us a few minutes to get there. Steve's back there. It's funny how I'm not used to looking for bikes in my mirror. So we go around a bend or something and I'll go to check on him and I can't find him. I'm like, oh, where the hell did he go? And I look in the other mirror, oh, he's on the other side. Go for a white Vancaro. Yep, there he is.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Goofy Bastard here, and you're watching WaltInPA.
I've been doing it off and on the whole time. Going for the cinematic effect. Steve got hung up at that stop sign back there. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Yep. Yeah, I can still hear you back here. I tell you what, this is pretty impressive. Just being back here, seeing all these bikes. Yeah, all this variety is fantastic. Seriously, is this what I sound like when I do it? We picked a great day for this. The scenery's great, not a cloud in the sky. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Every time there's a little hazard in the road or something, you got multiple people signaling. It's almost like we know what we're doing. Alright, I think we'll be alright if we just hunch together. Come the red bombs.
I have a good idea. I'm going to do a favour for my friend. This is Trekkie Moto and you're watching WaltInPA.
Alright, I'm gonna stop. There's a Mustang like in the middle of the intersection. People are going around them on the wrong side. Yeah, I just hope I don't get us lost. Yeah, I know it's a straight shot, but I gotta make the left first. I should have stopped. See, this is what happens when I lead. white car after this truck, but we've got some space. I didn't think it was. It's news for me. Yeah, there's like a little picnic area. I think we can get all the bikes down here without bothering anyone. Yeah, I'm here. All right, there's a car trying to get through, but I think we'll be all right. So these people would stop standing beside the road. Oh, cool. Yeah, he kind of snuck out. I saw him get into the road as I was partway through the turn. Yeah, it's hard to believe this ride's almost over. It feels so short. You don't want to do 13 parts. That was a pain in the ass. I've pretty much had the cameras running the whole time. I'll probably just do scenery with music and lay in some stuff, and that's about it. I think this is it, yeah. Looks like they're busy today. Well, I found plenty of parking, no shade, but I wanted to be friendly. Figured we'd get near the other bikes. It's funny, I was just talking to Goofy Bastard for a little bit. We were connected on the Cenas. I was having GoPro issues. It wouldn't function, and I didn't capture any of that conversation. But it's funny, you know, we go out for this group ride. You know, I take a bunch of pictures at the meetup spot, take a bunch of pictures at the first covered bridge, take a bunch of pictures at the second covered bridge, I get my drone out, you know, trying to document everything and have, you know, good time and record the memories. Then when we get to Shady Maple, everyone's hot and tired and thirsty. We sit down at the table, not one photo, not one video, nothing was taken. So I feel like the whole back end of the trip is missing. Anyway, we had an awesome time. It's really cool getting to sit down and talk to everyone. Just kind of have conversations about random different stuff, moto vlogging, YouTube watching habits, channels we like, a couple channels we don't like. And it was just a really good time, and everyone seemed to enjoy it, and we definitely want to do it again. I think this is going to become an annual event. We might have to make it like, I don't know, like a twice a year thing or something, or start up a second ride, because I had a blast. In fact, the ride just felt short. Like we got to Shady Maple, and it's like, all right, like it's pretty much over at this point. I can't believe it's over already.